Hello mommies, welcome back to our channel. So today I am presenting the third edition of indoor activity series. I hope you all like part 1 and part 2. If you haven't watched them, I will be giving the link in the description box. If you are watching my video for the first time, consider subscribing by clicking on the red button for more such fun and entertainment videos. Entertaining a toddler all day is never an easy task. So I thought I would share some fun rainy day activities you can do with your kids. These activities will definitely keep your kids busy if you prefer to stay indoors. So let's get into the video. So in the first activity, I made a simple homemade roadway toy from recycled cardboard. It was so quick and easy to make. I margined thin lines all over the cardboard sheet using a crayon. So this will definitely help for hours of creative play. So in the second activity we have a sensory bin. I have found that the sensory bins are super easy and have a tons of educational benefits. They are one of my favorite fun activities for toddlers, but in the meantime, sensory bins can be done with most anything. I tend to use rice. You can use either oatmeal, beans, occasionally whatever you can find in your cabinet. Then add in some toys of your choice. Now you have some fun imaginary play ready to go. The third activity is alphabet puzzles. Children who can play with educational toys develop all the necessary skills faster. Now you can help spark your child's imagination and creativity in this way. Toddlers need to learn to distinguish between the shape of the alphabets. At first they may confuse, but slowly they learn to identify the letters and their shapes. You can also help your little one work on shape recognition by purchasing puzzles. When you do them together, say the names of each alphabet and ask your child to repeat. Apple, key. So, vegetable counting is one of his favorite indoor activities. Use this fun vegetable math game to help your kids practice counting, sorting, and much more. They always have fun counting vegetables, identifying their color, and describing its shape.
Mm.
2, 3, 4, 20,
5.
6, 20, 8, 9, 9, 10.
Bubbles are a wonderful activity to keep your kid busy in a simple and exciting way. Children of all ages love to play with bubbles. Talk with your child about how the bubbles look and feel. Talk about what happens when a bubble touches a surface. Let the kid use their imagination and talk about what they feel. Slime is always a favorite activity for kids, and this is a fun craft to do for an indoor activity. Playing with slime is a sensory activity. It allows children to utilize and understand all five senses. Hopscotch is a fun childhood game for everyone. All you have to do is draw a large hopscotch and put a number in each square. You need to yell out the number and ask your kid to jump away. You can also fill your hopscotch with letters instead of numbers. Once they learn, don't leave the hopscotch at just numbers and letters. Use with simple words, introduce names of family and friends as you play. Kids love to learn identify their names of siblings and friends. Ah.
Mm. Mm. 4, 4. 3.
A blown up balloon can give a lot of fun for children to chase and promote active play. Children enjoy the fun of balloons, especially as a part of celebrations and active play. Balloon games never fail in keeping children boredom at bay. Balloons are in the first place definitely if you look for something simple yet super fun for kids to do.
coffee, boy, boy, man, sun,
Let me tell you why reading is important for kids. It expands their vocabulary. While reading, they might come across the words and pictures they have never heard and seen. It helps them to find out what they mean. As a result, they add it to their vocabulary. As a child reads, they can begin to imagine where the characters are. They might even create their own little world as well. Reading enhances their imagination by forcing them to picture what the character actually looks like and who they are. Reading books also stimulates their imagination and expands their understanding of the world. And it also helps them to develop language and listening skills.
one, two, three. Apple, ant, apple, cats, cow.
And we can also teach them good manners for toddlers using books like teach your child please and thank you in the beginning. All parents agree that teaching kids manners is important, so it's best time to catch them when they are young. So the final activity is sanitizing their hands. Hand washing can become a lifelong healthy habit if you start teaching it at an early age. The most important thing is to start early with kids when they are toddlers. And that's it for today's video, and do not forget to leave a review on your favorite activity. And I hope you got some good information with this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Stay tuned.